Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the best leg exercises. Squats are one of the most effective ways to strengthen your lower body. Lunges target your quads, hamstrings and glutes for a well-rounded workout. Deadlifts are great for building muscle in your hamstrings and lower back. Leg presses are perfect for developing strong quadriceps and glutes. Step-ups help improve balance and stability while working your leg muscles. Calf raises isolate the calf muscles for greater strength and definition. Hip thrusts activate your glutes and hamstrings like no other exercise. Bulgarian split squats challenge both balance and strength in your legs. Leg extensions target the quadriceps for improved muscle tone. Hamstring curls focus on strengthening the back of your legs. Walking lunges engage multiple muscle groups for an intense workout. Box jumps improve explosive power and agility in your lower body. Deadlift variations like sumo deadlifts can further target your lower body muscles. Wall sits are a simple yet effective way to build endurance in your leg muscles. Glute bridges activate and strengthen the glutes for a toned backside. Side lunges work the inner and outer thighs for a complete leg workout. Medicine ball slams combine cardio with strength training for full body benefits. Pistol squats challenge balance and strength in your legs like no other exercise. Don't forget to incorporate rest days into your leg workout routine for proper recovery. Now that you know the best exercises for strong legs, go out there and crush your workouts. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more fitness tips.